In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your HubSpot account quickly and easily. It's a straightforward process, and within just a few minutes, you'll be able to remove your account without any hassle. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to head over to your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Simply type in hubspot.com in your address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, you should see the familiar HubSpot interface that many of you might already recognize if you've been using this tool for your business needs. Next, look towards the top right corner of the homepage where you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your account credentials. Make sure to have your username and password handy. After entering your login information, click the login button to proceed. Once you are successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. From this screen, we're going to head to the profile section. Look around for your account icon, which is usually located in the upper right part of the screen, and click on it to bring up the drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll see an option called Profile. Go ahead and select it. With the profile settings now open, our next step is to locate the account and billing section. This area houses all your account management options, including billing details and account settings. Scroll through your options until you find account and billing and click on it to proceed. In the account and billing section, you will see a variety of options, but what we're interested in is the delete account option. This is usually displayed prominently as it's an important action. Click on delete account to move on to the final steps. You'll be directed to a confirmation page where you'll see a final delete account button. This step is crucial as it confirms your decision to permanently remove your account and all associated data. If you're absolutely sure about your decision, click on this button. Remember, deleting your account is irreversible and you will lose all the data associated with it. So it's a good idea to ensure that you have any necessary data backed up before you take this final step. Once you've clicked delete, your account removal process will begin, and you can now go about your day knowing that your HubSpot account has been securely deleted. And there you have it. In these simple steps, you can have your account deleted in no time. We hope you found our guide useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching and have a great day.